Welcome to our video on understanding the key differences between TypeScript and JavaScript. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, understanding these differences is essential for enhancing your programming skills. If you're a developer, chances are you've encountered these programming languages. In this video we are going to discuss the main differences between JavaScript and TypeScript. Subscribe to this channel for more this kind of videos. So let's start. The first difference is definition. JavaScript is a scripting language and developed by Netscape in 1995. TypeScript, as name suggests, it is also a scripting language but with data type support. It is object-oriented superset of JavaScript and developed by Microsoft in 2012. Next difference is the way of execution process. JavaScript code is directly converted into machine language for execution. TypeScript code is first converted into JavaScript code, then it is converted in machine language for execution. Third major differences is data type. JavaScript is a dynamically typed language. Any type of data can be assigned to any type of variable dynamically. No data type checking is performed. But the TypeScript is static typed language. Means that the type of variables and function is strictly checked at compilation. And type errors are thrown at compile time to detect errors at earlier stage. Fourth difference is the support of interfaces. TypeScript supports interfaces. And interfaces are a powerful way to represent type structure. But in JavaScript, the interfaces are not supported. And the fifth difference is creating custom type. In TypeScript you can create new advanced types from the basic type as per your project requirements. But JavaScript does not support creating custom types. You have to just depend on class structure for doing that. So these were the major differences between TypeScript and JavaScript. Like this video if you found this tutorial helpful. And subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on front-end programming and web development.